This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jerry Bottom. Easy living in Farragut. This gorgeous basement ranch craftsman-style home with open floor plan is less than 4 years old. Main level living at its best. Kitchen sparkles with white quartz countertops and under-cabinet lighting. Stacked stone fireplace with built-in bookshelves make a dramatic yet cozy statement in the family room. Master bath has accent tile in the shower, rectangular sinks and bevel-edge mirrors. Additional bedroom/office also on the main level along with access to full bath. Walkout finished basement has lots of room to spread out with another large living area, bedroom and full bath. Relax on the covered deck off the main level with hilltop views. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Bottom at 865-566-7045.